Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about the C#.NET drawing. Okay, this is the tutorial number 12 about switch statement. Okay, now let's start about the switch statement, how we can implement. And first of all, what you do first, let's search button, drag on your form. Okay, and the next one is text. This is your text box. Okay, now select this one, go to font, and let's amend here 16 or 20. Like I went here 16. Yes, now click to button, and right now the tag name is button 1, and we need to change, like I meant here, switch button, and go to text and change the text also. Yes, this is text button 1, and I meant here switch button. Okay, and click to this one, this is text box 1, and change the name. Okay, I meant here text user. Okay, this is the user. User need to enter text, and let's go to font, and I meant here 18. Yes, now done. Now what you do, double click to the switch button. Let's apply the switch statement. Okay, first I create a variable int 32, and int 32 I meant a. Okay, in the a we need to store the value, that is text user dot text. Okay, but this is in the string data type. Now we need to convert into integer. Now how we can do this? I have two options. One is directly convert dot to int 32. Okay, like this. Yes, now let's apply the switch condition. Switch in the bracket. In the bracket you need to enter the variable where you want to display, like I'm entering a. Okay, and start the brackets. Okay, now enter case. Okay, yeah, like you see, case brackets. Now you need to enter a value, like I'm entering 1. Okay, and break like this. Okay guys, now what you do, let's I'm going to enter a message, if a is equal 1, that's and this condition is execute. Okay, now I'm going to create another one, case brackets 2. Okay, and I'm going to break condition like this. Okay, now let's amend here message. Message box, sorry, message box dot show. Okay, right now I'm entering a message like a light on room 1. Okay, and in the case same message I meant here message box dot show, like I meant here light of room 2. Sorry, room 2, like this. Okay, everything is done. Now save your project and click to start. Okay, now what you do, let's first I meant here 1, and click to switch button, and you see light on room 1. Okay, if I enter 2, and you see a light of room 2. Okay, it's working. Now let's modify the dialog box button. Okay, in the message let's comma, and you need to enter title, switch case, comma, message box button okay cancel, comma message icon, and right now I'm in here error caution and warning, like this. Okay, everything is done. Now same we need to implement in this, comma switch case, comma message box okay cancel, and comma message icon, and right now I'm at here warning, or let's click to information. Okay, this one is warning, this one is information, and save your project. Let's click to start, and if I enter 1, now switch button, and you see this is the warning, light on room 1. Okay, if I enter 2, and you see this is the information indication, or we can say information icon, light of room 2. Okay, it's amazing. Okay, and thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much, guys.